Alright people, check this out. This is how the alarm system works. So once you press it, you notice only the hazard light blink. Yeah man, that for sure so the alarm system engage. The door lock. Now if I open the door, the alarm go off. You see that? This switch control that door. Now if this switch is on, the key control that door, right? So, cause most of the time me on the road, it's just the driver door me use. So me turn off that door, but the alarm will still work, right? Check this out now. Passenger door. Once this switch is this way, right? Now if I turn this off, then the passenger door don't work. You see it? Only the driver door. Right? Alright. So once I click that back now, watch.